Welcome back. We have some bullish price target changes today, as I mentioned before the break. Let's start MasterCard. The target there goes to $397 from $384. That's at Stevens, and we're going to have a little debate here because, DEGAS, you own MasterCard, whereas Shannon says Visa is one of her top picks for 2021. DEGAS, you first, then Shannon, you make your pitch for Visa.
Well, first of all, we like Visa because of the recent acquisition of FEDEX, and which is a handheld artificial intelligence machine learning application that first started off with budgeting, but now they have expanded out to lending and also financial institutions. And just think about this. The consumer is in control of the privacy of their information. If you want it to be linked to your mortgage and to make it easier for you to apply, it can do that. And so we really like this. MasterCard is also reaching out and impacting with their goal by 2025 of getting 500 million people globally that are unbanked and underbanked to be customers. That's a driver. Plus, when you look at the profitability from a return on invested capital, they're in the top decile for we look at financial institutions. And we think that at these levels, we measure it by earnings yield is fairly valued. So we like MasterCard relative to Visa. Visa is good, but we like MasterCard.
All right, Shan, why is Visa one of your top picks for 21?
We just think that Visa is going to continue to grow their share, frankly, versus MasterCard. We think the cash-to-card conversion is going to continue and be accelerated by the pandemic situation we've experienced this year. And for me, I just want the big heavy in the space. I think they're going to benefit from the same things that DEGAS just talked about for MasterCard, but I want the top player in the space.
All right, let's talk Applied Materials. Top semi pick for 2021. Conviction list. Price target goes to 110 from 82. That's over at NEEDHAM. You guys all need to get with the program because nobody owns it. Pete, what's up with that? You got Micron, you got Marvell, you don't have AMAT. Why?
Yeah, and I should, Scott. I'm kicking myself. I've been in there. I got out. It was a trade for me, and I didn't stick with the trade, and so you're 100% right. But those are all these names are feeding different sides of the animal, and right now we're looking at names like I still think Micron is way too cheap. I think the 5G side of that is under appreciated. So I think there are other names that actually can accelerate maybe faster than Applied Materials.
And let me quickly, just before we go, FedEx, I mentioned it earlier, just to let you know, price target goes to 305 Argus. But Weiss owns UPS, Pete owns UPS, DEGAS owns UPS. Shannon recently sold UPS. So I got a lot of people still on board with UPS over FedEx.